If you're ambitious but broke, watch this. So you're ambitious, you have big dreams and you want to be successful and live the life you've always imagined. But there is one problem: you're broke. But what if I told you that being broke is actually your biggest advantage right now? Sounds crazy, right? But stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see why having no money is the exact reason you're about to succeed if you play your cards right. Look, I know what it's like. You've got big dreams, big ideas, but your bank account is looking at you like, not today, buddy. And let's be real, that's frustrating. But let me ask you something. What do Jeff Bezos, Oprah Winfrey, and Steve Jobs all have in common? No, it's not just success. It's that they started with nothing. And if they could do it, what's stopping you? 1. The mindset shift, because it's everything. First things first, your mindset is either your biggest weapon or your biggest weakness. Right now, you might be saying, I can't start, I don't have money. But here's the truth. You don't need money to start. You need resourcefulness. The most successful people didn't wait for the perfect moment, the right connections, or a big investment. They got scrappy. They found ways to learn, ways to build, ways to earn, even when they had nothing. And that's exactly what we're about to do. 2. Money follows skills, not vibes. If you don't have money, your first priority is to learn a skill that people will pay for. Because money isn't about luck, it's about value. The more valuable you are, the more money follows you. Think about this. Right now, someone out there is getting paid $10,000 a month just to write emails for businesses. Someone else is making a full-time income editing videos from their laptop. Another person is getting paid to manage Instagram pages. And you know what all these people have in common? None of them needed money to start. Here are high-income skills you can learn for free online. Copywriting, digital marketing, graphic design, sales, coding, social media management, video editing. Pick one. Learn it, master it, and within a few weeks, you can start getting paid. 3. The power of free resources, your million-dollar library. You might be thinking, okay, but where do I learn all this? Easy. The internet is the biggest university in the world, and it's free. Here's where to start. YouTube, free tutorials on almost everything. Coursera and Udemy, free and discounted courses. Google Digital Garage, free marketing and business training. LinkedIn Learning, free trials for professional courses. Libraries, yes, they still exist, and they're free. If you're watching this video on a smartphone, you already have everything you need to start making money. No excuses. 4. The 5-step action plan, because knowledge without action is useless. All right, let's get practical. Here's your exact step-by-step plan to go from broke to thriving. 1. Pick a skill, something valuable that people will pay for. 2. Learn daily. Use free resources to master it. 3. Offer your skill for free, first few clients. Get testimonials and experience. 4. Start charging. Once you build confidence, raise your rates. 5. Reinvest and scale. Use your earnings to invest in better tools and education. This isn't theory. This is exactly how people go from broke to making thousands of dollars a month online. 5. The secret weapon. Most people ignore: networking. Now, here's something most people miss. Your network is your shortcut to success. Even if you have no money, you can build relationships that open doors for you. Here's how. Join free Facebook and LinkedIn groups in your industry. Engage with people doing what you want to do. Offer your services to small businesses for testimonials, DM professionals, and ask for advice. You'd be shocked at how many people are willing to help if you just ask. 6. Start with what you have. No more excuses. Got a phone? You can create content. Got a laptop? You can start freelancing. Got Wi-Fi? You can research 1,000 ways to make money online. Your excuses are officially canceled. Closing scene. Your future self is watching. Look, I get it. Being ambitious and broke is frustrating. But the only way to stay broke is by doing nothing. If you made it to the end of this video, it means you're serious, and serious people take action. So here's your next move. Drop a comment below and tell me what skill you're going to start learning today. Hit the like button so more people can see this. And most importantly, please, please, please subscribe to the channel, because you are awesome, and I like you, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. Your future self will thank you.